Hello, class. Hello, Professor. I'll be explaining how I solved for the chain rule for problem one. So, first, I rewrite the function so that it's easier to take the derivative of the original function, which is 6 root of x squared minus 3 in parentheses to the fifth power. Since a sixth root means a power of 1/6, I rewrote it as um, x squared minus 3 in parentheses and to the fifth, and I put that within another parentheses, and I raised to the 1/6 power. Then I multiplied the exponents so that it becomes x squared minus 3 to the fifth sixth power. Next, I took the derivative. Um, Next, I take the derivative. This is a chain rule problem because I have a function within another function, and the inside function is x squared minus 3, and the outside function is raising that expression to the fifth sixth power. So I start by taking the derivative of the outside, and I bring down the 5/6 and subtract 1 from the exponent. To do that, I rewrote 1 as 6/6, so 5/6 minus 6/6 equals negative 1/6. That gives me 5/6 times um, x squared minus 3 in parentheses to the negative 1/6. Then I took the derivatives of the inside and the derivative of x squared, which is 2x, and the derivative of negative 3 is 0. So the derivative of x squared minus 3 is 2x. So then I multiplied. Uh, wait. Now I multiply from there. Uh, that by the derivative of the outside, so I get 5/6 times x squared minus 3 to the negative 1/6 times 2x. Next, I begin to simplify. So 5/6 times 2x becomes 10 over 6, and then I reduce that fraction to 5x over 3 by simplifying, by dividing by 2. So then I end up with 5x over 3. So now the derivative of 5x over 3 times x squared minus 3 to the negative 1/6. So then I rewrite and I evaluate at x equals 2 from what it wants us to evaluate, which is x equals 2. Then I substitute 2 into the expression, um, which gives me 5 times 2 over 3 times 2 squared minus 3 to the negative 1/6. So then I begin to simplify even more and solve. So 5 times 2 is 10, and 2 squared is 4. Then 4 minus 3 equals 1. So I end up with 10 over 3 times 1 to the negative 1/6. And since 1 to any power is 1, the final answer that I got was 10 over 3. This means that x equals 2, and the function is increasing, and the slope of the tangent line at that point is 10 over 3. That was my explanation for how I solved for the chain rule. Thank you for listening.